Yo, yo. What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So at this point, we're back again, reacting to another Farita. And she's not the only one who I'll be seeing performing. She's also performing with a person called AHYEON. The song is called Like That. And yes, I'll get a lot of comments saying she's from Thailand, not Japan. So my sincere apologies. I correct myself here. So greetings to all my Thailand viewers. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm from Jamaica and I would love to come to Thailand someday. Right? The colors are beautiful, the people are beautiful, and I love to see myself in that place someday. Let's dive into what they have to say in Like That.
이번에 무대를 꾸며주실 분들은 바로 이분들이십니다. 어떤 곡을
Yo, you people are great. Very beautiful set of people. You guys are so cute. What song did you prepare? I guess that's a question.
들려주실 건가요?
네, 저희가
We
들려드릴
prepared
곡은 저희
a song
베이비몬스터의
called
Like
Like That.
That이라는 곡인데요.
It's my first time hearing of Like That, so I guess this is gonna be an adventure for me. Yeah.
Like That을 두 분이서
네,
이 어쿠스틱한 편곡으로요.
저희도 처음이라 조금
I guess it's a very beautiful song for me. First time hearing it, but I'll have to check it out after this. So yeah, it's our first time, so we're gonna be a bit nervous. Who wouldn't? I mean, like, we're all human, so nervousness, anxiousness, anxiety, it's a must for the first time when we're trying something.
긴장이 되지만 새로운 마음으로 잘 불러보도록 하겠습니다.
네, 여러분 박수 한번 주세요. 화이팅!
Hey, let's go.
I'm nervous as well, guys. Trust me. I'm nervous as well. PHARITA and AHYEON's Like That acoustic version. Yeah, I love to see. Our original singer, BABYMONSTER, right? So yeah. Okay, sweet music. All right, it started.
I said a look upon your face, something my mind cannot erase. If I kept staring, then
Oh my god. Yo, she's gorgeous, bro. Yo, I never hear she sing this song before. Never. So I guess it's gonna be something nice, refreshing.
then I might have to start to walk your way. I wanna hear what you would say. You could I stand it and I
Sweet!
do too. Cause all those girls know what you need. But I don't do it to make sure you never.
Good God, bro. Wow. Now this is a work of art. A very good picture is painted here.
Let's go, yeah. If I come close, baby, would you like that? If I give some, would you give it right back? If I show you that I know it's at, baby, would you like that?
I gotta say, PHARITA, she's an excellent singer, a great storyteller, a great songwriter. A bonus from me.
Would you like that? Say you won't let boy know than me. Make you feel way better than in your dream. If I show you that I know it's at, baby, would you like that? Baby, would you like that?
Wow. Well, I gotta say, I guess that female in the white, she's called AHYEON. But AHYEON, her voice is such a calm voice, but it gives the song, it gives the entire place that calm, beautiful melodic stuff. Woo! Nice package.
It's like that, how you running right back. Know you on the right track, Queen Ace Blackjack. I've been thinking way too much, I need to let it go. You been running through my mind and I'ma let it show.
Oh my god, I'm finished. I'm finished. Oh gosh. Yo. Oh wow. Unexpected.
Ain't nobody stepping up to me, say nothing when I call and you be running out of. I would never find you, was on it back, was done it on and on and on and on and to the top, baby boy, be rolling.
Whoa. Now we have Pharita here. Killing it.
Girls know what you need, but I know the way to make sure you never leave. Let's go. Yeah.
If I come close, baby, would you?
Oh my god, I'm feeling so excited. Ah! Guys, I'm feeling sorry for at this point. Oh my god, yo, these females are too good for me.
Like that, if I give some, would you give it right back? If I show you that I know it's hot, baby, would you like that? Would you like that?
Say you won't let boy know than me.
I can tell that they practices a lot. They do a lot of rehearsals, you know, something that will get them there. Because in the first half, they mentioned that they are nervous. And based on what I'm seeing here, they aren't nervous. Because doing something you love, you'll practice on it. And they becomes professional. Professionally, they are doing excellently.
Make you feel way better than in your dreams. Let me show you that a door is up. Baby, would you like that? Baby, would you like that?
Sweet music! Yo, sweet performance though. Sweet energy flowing throughout this entire performance though.
That's where you need to be.
Yo, AHYEON, her vocals are crazy. It's off the grids, man. Oh gosh. Oh wow.
That's where you need to be.
I love this. I love this performance. Oh my god. Oh my god, this female making me feel so good.
But I know the way to make sure you never leave.
If I come close, baby, would you like that? If I give some, would you give it?
I ain't gonna lie, these females send chills down my spine. They give me the goosebumps. They give me that feeling, that unconditional feeling, that feeling. Oh! I'm feeling so good. Oh my gosh, bro.
Right back. If I show you that I know it's hot,
Baby, would you like that? Baby, would you like that?
Someone let boy know that means make you feel way better than yours.
It doesn't take an average person to keep up with such intelligence. Masters at work.
If I show you that I know it's hot, baby, would you like that? If I come close, baby, would you like that? If I give some, would you give it right back? If I show you.
Yo, I love the cooperation so much. Teamwork makes the dream work, and these two females, they are handling it. They're killing it.
That I know it's hot, baby, would you
That's
like?
where you
Would you
need
like
to
that?
be.
That means make you feel way better than yours. If I show you that I
Yo, this is like human and clothing. Perfect match. They can't do without each other. So these two females, it's just the combination that makes it become one, bro. Trust me, they are one. They are doing well.
that I know it's hot, baby, would you like that? Would you like that?
Wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. I gotta say, I enjoyed that performance so much. So let's continue.
너무 멋있었어요.
진짜
감사합니다. 언니라고 부르고 싶어요.
So now it's the judge time to give the points that they deserve. They are now judging based on the performance accordingly.
놀랐네. 우리 아이가 많이 놀랐어. 너무 잘한다는 얘기예요. 그만큼. 아 진짜 지금 7명이서 소화해야 될 노래를.
To be honest, they deserve to be ahead, right? Based on how they can give us that beautiful performance, feeling good, they deserve to be ahead, and they deserve more.
지금 두 분이서 하신 거거든요, 여러분. 지금 한국을 대표하는 아이돌입니다. 네, 진짜 멋있었어요.
감사합니다.
정말.
감사합니다.
노래도 너무
정말.
잘하시는데
네.
To be honest, they deserve it. They do deserve it, bro.
성량이 와 진짜 대단하신 것 같아요.
힘이 좋아.
네. 저는 노래를 좀 작게 부르는 타입이어가지고 네, 와. 머리가 네, 와 성량
For me, it's a solid 10. A solid 10.
성량이 대단하세요.
되게
진짜.
하는 성량이었어요.
네.
맞아.
그리고 Like That 이 노래가 그 찰리 푸스가 선물한 곡이래요. 우와 어떻게?
I love to see all these good compliments giving onto them, bro. Oh, let them feel great.
이런 일이 일어났죠?
그러니까요. 어떻게
찰리 푸스 너무 좋아하는데 와 역시
저희가 이제 월말 평가라는 걸 했었는데
They are so sweet and looking great.
그때 제가 찰리 푸스님의 Dangerously라는 곡을 선곡을 했었었어요.
Hey, that's also one of our favorite songs of all time. I love you dangerously. I'm sorry, I can't sing, so let's proceed.
이제 그 영상을 보고 촬영을 해주셔가지고 그 덕분에 이렇게 곡까지 선물 받게 되었습니다.
와
진짜.
대단하다.
그러면 그
So I guess she's inspired by Charlie Puth's song, Love You Dangerously. And also Ray Charlie Puth is one of my favorite singers as well.
화자의 그 곡을 한번 들려주실 수 있을까요, 우리? 다들 원하실 것 같은데.
You
Load them with heartwarming comments. They deserve it.
woken me, but you're choking me. I was so obsessed. Gave you all of me, and I wanna
Oh my god, yo, these females are superstars, dog. Superstars, bro.
say I've got nothing left. I loved you dangerously. Oh no.
Oh! Bah, bah, bah. Bah, bah, bah. Excellent vocalist.
More than the air that I breathe. 감사합니다.
가성도 잘하는.
네.
가성도 힘이 있네.
돌고래인 줄
뭐라고요?
돌고래인 줄
옆에서 작게.
Yo, she does that without even trying. Without even breaking a sweat.
돌고래인 줄 하시는.
감탄사도 작게 하네요. 적재 씨는.
대단하십니다. 예.
아, 너무 멋있었어요. 정말.
또 저희가
Very nice. Very nice. The performance was excellent. Very excellent. So if you guys enjoyed this reaction, remember to leave a like, smash the subscribe button, and thank you so much for reaching thus far in this reaction. I appreciate you all. I'll see you guys in the next suggested content, and leave them down below in the comments, and we all can have a happy time down there. Peace.